Hi, friends. Guess what? Today's the day. I'm ready to ride my bike without training wheels.
You've practiced so much, sweetheart. But before we start, what do we always wear?
Our helmets for safety.
Nice and snug. Remember, it's okay to wobble or even fall. What matters is
Getting back up and trying again. Whoa, whoa, ah!
That's okay, darling. You were so brave.
I can do it. Let's try again. I did it! I'm riding, Dad! I'm riding!
Great riding! Before we head to the sidewalk, let's talk about road safety.
Like stop signs and looking both ways?
Exactly! Come on, let's go for a walk. I have a surprise for you at the end.
Ooh! Yay!
When we cross the street, look left, then right, then left again.
Left, right, left. No cars!
And we always hold hands and stay close to a grown-up.
What does red mean? Stop! And what does green mean? Go!
We have reached the surprise destination.
Ice cream! Yay! Thanks, Dad! Strawberry for me! Today I learned how to ride my bike without training wheels, and I learned how to be safe.
Let's sing our road safety song.
Ha ha ha, ha 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 ha. Hop on your bike, let's ride today. But safety first, that's the Harper way. We stop at lights and cross with care. With helmets on, we're prepared out here. Stop, look and listen before your feet move. Look left, right, left, and find a safe groove. Hold a grown-up's hand, wait for the light. Cross with care and you'll be alright. Helmets on tight, clip goes the strap. Snug on my head, no wiggle, no gap. Riding with care from start to end. My helmet's my buddy, my safety friend. Stop, look and listen before your feet move. Look left, right, left, and find a safe groove. Hold a grown-up's hand, wait for the light. Cross with care and you'll be alright. Wheels go round, I'm starting slow. A little bit wobbly, that's how we grow. I fell once, twice, but that's okay. I took a breath and tried anyway. Stop, look and listen before your feet move. Look left, right, left, and find a safe groove. Hold a grown-up's hand, wait for the light. Cross with care and you'll be alright. Red means stop, green means go, but only when we've checked nice and slow. I hold a hand and look each way to cross the street the safe kid way. Stop, look and listen before your feet move. Look left, right, left, and find a safe groove. Hold a grown-up's hand, wait for the light. Cross with care and you'll be alright. If I run too far and I can't see you, I hear if you can't see me, I can't see you. I now stay close, I understand, and always walk holding a grown-up's hand. Stop, look and listen before your feet move. Look left, right, left, and find a safe groove. Hold a grown-up's hand, wait for the light. Cross with care and you'll be alright.
Thanks for riding with me today, friends. Remember, be safe, be brave, and always wear your helmet.